Hey guys, good evening. क्या भाई लोग, वीडू लोग, बहन लोग, how you all doing guys? Good evening. I'm assuming you guys are having a great Sunday so far. है कि नहीं है? संडे ठीक ठाक से जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है, ये बताओ फटाफट. Yes. आ जाओ सारे आ जाओ. Quick guys. All right. Hi Ritik. Hello Shrishti. Good evening. Where's everyone else? Definitely Akshay, definitely. You prepare for CAT, you by default prepare for every other management entrance exam. That applies. Yes, except for maybe ZAT, because the questions in ZAT are a little too analytical. But again, the concept tested is the same any which ways. आएगा मजा. अरे तब ठीक है ऋतिक. हाय मृदु. हेलो शाश्वत. Anytime buddy, my pleasure. Hi Ritrachan. Hello Sakshi. Good evening guys. Welcome to your second lecture on calculation techniques. This is our first step towards quant for CAT 2021. Parth, you are never too early or never too late to learn anything. Never too early. In fact, if you are in courses like BBA or BCom, it's always better that you prepare beforehand. Yes, a lot of people think the optimal time would be during the final year. See, during the final year you would have a lot of things on your mind. Yes, you have to ensure that your graduation scores are up to the mark, because a lot of colleges consider that also. You have to ensure that your profile is good enough, because a lot of colleges consider that. During this, you would be involved in going for internships, your projects, your final year projects. You would have to ensure that you give equal importance to non-academic activities in your college also. And during this, if someone tells you that sit every day, learn for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, you wouldn't want to do that. And final year is that point of time in your college life when you become all touchy, feely with your batchmates. Yeah, like, oh my god, this is the last time we would be meeting, this is our last year, last puff or last bun in the canteen, this would be the last time we would be meeting at this plate, last time we will be bunking class together. During all this, nah, I'm not coming for that get together. I'm going to go prepare for my CAT. Not done. Yeah. Hello Pallavi. Hi Manish. Hello Jessel. Hi Akansha. Manish, nahi aa jao, right time. Good evening Achal. Hello Ankit. Hi Yogita. Good evening Sophia, Neetu. Hi Manasa. Good evening. Chalo, let's begin. Let me quickly introduce myself. My name is aeronautical engineer. No, my name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer from Chennai. I have 6 years of experience teaching quantitative aptitude across different platforms, and in those platforms I've trained over 2 lakh students so far. I am also an Academy's top 13th educator. Please don't forget to follow #CAT live daily the next time you're on Instagram. Yes, apparently somebody has been posting some killer memes and all. I don't know who that person is, but somebody has been doing. Go check them out. Let me know who that person is. Yeah. All right, please join these 3 places guys. If you haven't already joined these 3 places, quickly do it. Unacademy CAT, this is our official channel, official Unacademy CAT's channel. Yes, this is where notifications would be provided for upcoming classes. This is my official channel, Surana Live's official channel. Join this for not just notifications but notes and also queries. Yes, if you want notifications, yes. If you want notes for the classes, yes. And if you are looking to get your queries answered, join this. This is my profile on Unacademy. This is my profile on Unacademy, unacademy.com/@Amit_Surana. Yes. This will take you to my profile on Unacademy's app. So, if you want to go check out my previously taken classes or any upcoming classes, all of that would be available here. Yes. All these links are provided in the description below, so you don't have to worry about typing these. You can just simply click the description in the description. Click the link in the description below. Alright, chalo. And okay, so if you're looking for subscription, I'll tell you the subscription benefits towards the end of the session. But please know that if you're looking for preparing for your CAT or other management entrance exams without any tension in your mind, then you can pick up any one of these packages. This is for someone preparing for CAT 2021. This is for someone who's preparing for CAT 2022. Yes, and above 2023, 2024, all of that, you can pick this one. This is my referral code, Surana Live. Use this to get your discount. Yes. Chalo, shall we begin then today's session? Yes. Sarcasm, do you really think this is the right place for you to ask a question like this? Do you see the topic today? We have CAT 2021, which is way out of your league. We are dealing with calculation techniques, and you come and ask me about angular bisectors here. Yes? Nah, buddy, nah, no. Ashwini, yes you can. Yes you can. As long as you have a degree, you can definitely apply. Hi Jatin, good evening. Priya, we will start. Don't worry, have patience. I would expect you all to have patience. It will take us time to get full-fledged into CAT. Okay, CAT ka quant mein full-fledged ghusne mein there is still time. You will have to be patient. That's the least I can expect from y'all. Okay, this is something that we had seen yesterday. Your calculator can do simple calculations only. It can only be operated using a mouse. No keyboard can be used anywhere during the test. Using the calculator sometimes could be a little time consuming. It could disrupt your flow because you will have to shift, you will have to change your screens. You will be looking at your rough sheet, you will have to drop your pen, change your view, take the mouse, go to the calculator. Could be a little disrupting your flow and sometimes may cause confusion. Yes. Sarcasm, don't you think being on the brink was on you? Being on the brink was on you, right? It was your fault. When we were taking geometry based concepts, where were you? When I was taking doubt clearing sessions on special classes, where were you? How do you expect me to leave people who've come here depending on me because you have an issue with angular bisector? कि sir बाकी सब छोड़िए, angular bisector पे आइए. How could I? Go ahead. I don't feel bad if you would ask me calculation based questions. I wouldn't feel bad helping you out also. Chalo, hi Ankit, hello. Jaisal Raj, yeah, your degree. In fact, if you have a different degree than others, yes, a lot of colleges have this, diversity. Yes, they have this academic diversity where they would intentionally, book up some slots or seats for people from different genres, right? For example, if a lot of people are from BE or BTech, yes, and some are from, BCom, BBA, there would be some importance given to other courses also. Yes, so you definitely have a shot there. This should not worry you at all. Cool. Kritika, if you're planning on taking the subscription, I would suggest you do it in the upcoming week, because right after Diwali, I would be starting a course on Plus. I will let you know the details about that. Okay, so today's agenda, guys, let's quickly focus on what we have for today. Today's agenda includes us doing multiplication with numbers that are 5 and powers of 5, multiplication of two digit numbers, because one digit number we can definitely do, two digit numbers that could be a challenge. Multiplying two consecutive numbers, 10 and 11, that's a little too easy, right? But any two consecutive numbers, how would we divide and multiply, and division. Yes, this is what we are going to look at today. Are you all ready? Definitely, Nikita, definitely. I'm so glad it could help you. College union, yeah, not too much. It's not like you would get an admission because you did it, but it could push. Yes. BA, BSc, all those, like, you know, irrespective of your UG, you still have a shot getting in your dream college, provided you have done enough work on your CAT. Yes, born ready. Alrighty then. Alright guys, quickly go ahead, hit like on this video. Quickly go ahead, hit like on this video. Muskan. Yes. Done, responded. Okay. Alright, let's quickly start with the first thing. Yes, let's quickly start with the first thing. Yes, what was it? Numbers ending with 5, or numbers which are multiples of 5, powers of 5. Yes, let's quickly do this. Real simple question to begin with. 36 into 5. Now imagine if a question like this comes up, right? You are doing some serious calculation, some serious equation, solving some, you know, DI questions and all, where there's so much of calculation you have to do, and suddenly this comes up, 36 into 5. Do you think it would make sense, or it would be fair for you to drop your pen, pick up your mouse, change your view from your paper to the screen, drag the mouse cursor all the way to the calculator, go to the calculator and do 36 into 5? That doesn't make sense at all, right? That's ridiculous, because the amount of time you spend in doing this, you could do 5 more calculations just like this. Yes, so what is it? 36 into 5. If you want to multiply a number with 5, let's answer this question to me, right? Answer this question to me. What is easy to do? Is it easy to multiply a number with 10 or multiply with 5? Which is easy? Quickly tell me. Easy to multiply a number with 10 or multiply it with 5? Quickly tell me. Multiply with 10 or multiply with 5? Yeah guys, कौन सा easy है? Which would make more sense? Okay sir, multiplying with 10 makes more sense, right? Yeah, so I can multiply with 10 without breaking a sweat, because I know multiplying a number with 10 is basically just adding a 0 to it. Yes. Another question. Is it easy to multiply a number with 5 or half it? What is easy? Half a number or multiplying with 5? Quickly tell me, कौन सा easy है? Yes, which is easy? Halving a number makes sense, right? Yes, than multiplying with 5. Correct. Half निकालना, नींद में उठ के मैं पूछूं 36 का half क्या, you would have the answer in your right at the tip of your mouth, right? So this is what we are going to do here. Instead of multiplying a number with 5, yes, let's say I have to multiply a with 5, I'm going to do what? Multiply it with 10 and then half it. Yes, or half it first and then multiply it with 10, whatever that works for you. So 36 का half बताओ क्या है? What is half of 36? 18. Yes, 36 का half क्या है? 18. 36 का half अगर 18 है तो can I add a 0 to the end of it and call the answer as 180? Yes. Everybody who said multiplying with 5 is easier, please be my guest. कर लो, ठीक है, कर लो, but yes. सुपर. नाउ ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन आउट. ये ट्राई करो जल्दी. 825 into 5. Quickly try this. Quickly try this. 825 into 5. Anyone with the answer? 825 into 5. Very nice. Sparsh, Yogita, Jatin, killer guys, killer. Very good. How about others? Yeah. बताओ बताओ. कहाँ गया? Alright, yes. 4125, right? Finding the half is actually difficult is what you think. Okay, let me give you a quick way in which you can find the half of an odd number also very quickly. Yes, see, 8's half is 4, 2's half is 1, this is 5, this is 5, 5 is 4 plus 1, correct? 5 is nothing but 4 plus 1. 4 का half क्या है? 2, 5, 1 का half क्या है? 0.5. Yes, this into 10 is basically just removing the decimal point 4125. Are you feeling me, guys? Achal, yeah, Achal, yes. 800 into 5 plus 25 into 5. Very good. But 800 into 5 is easier to do, I understand. Yeah, but how about this case? Try this case then. Try this case. Quickly give me what is the answer to this. 1932.9 into 5. ये बता. Good evening Sakshi. Hi Shikhar. Good evening Hari. Superb. तो जिनने भी पहले 4125 बोला ब्यूटीफुल. अब इसका बता. डोंट यूज कैलकुलेटर दो, ठीक है? कोई कैलकुलेटर यूज नहीं करेगा, चीटिंग नहीं करेगा. Hari says 9664.5. Okay. Somebody says 96,645. Okay. 96,645. Yes. So again, what's the scene here? Scene क्या है यहाँ पे? हाफ करने का है ना. हाफ करने में दिक्कत होता है? कोई दिक्कत नहीं होता है. देखो 19's half is 9 1 carry, 13's half is 6 1 carry. Yes, क्योंकि 13 था, 13's closest is 12, 6 1 carry, 6 again point. 9 के closest क्या है? 8, 8 का हाफ क्या है? 4, फिर एक बचा 0.5. This into 10 करना है, into 100 नहीं करना है, this into 10 करना है, which is what? 9664.5. Yes, ये सोचो. अभी मैं ये सेम कैलकुलेटर में करूंगा. देखो कितना टाइम लगेगा. देखा, ये ड्रॉप किया, ये मैंने उठाया, ये मैंने ड्रैग किया कैलकुलेटर तक. ये रहा मेरा कैलकुलेटर, ठीक है? अब मैं डालूंगा 1, फिर मैं 9, 3, 2.9, देन आई विल डू into 5 equal to, तब जाके मेरा आंसर आएगा. यस, अब ये आंसर में मैं कॉपी करते वक्त गलती कर दिया तो पूरा गया. समझ में आ रहा है? ये आंसर में कॉपी करते वक्त छोटा सा भी गलती कर दिया तो पूरा गया. यस, क्लियर? ऑलराइट, ब्यूटीफुल गाइस. तो अब ये अगर सॉर्ट हो गया, जैसे जस्ट हाफ इट, जस्ट हाफ. 1932's half is 966.45. That into 10 is just changing one decimal point. That's it. Shifting one decimal point to the right. Okay? Yes. Beautiful. Chalo, let's try one more, shall we? Yes, let's do a practice on this. Here's your first question. Quickly do this. Quickly do this. Tell me, what do you think the answer to this is? Yes. Quick. हाँ जी, 764 into 25. Yogita says 24,100. Okay. Others 19,100. Okay. 1,910. Accepted. Okay. Priya, I will let you know, Priya. There is still time for it. Please don't be in a rush. ठीक है, ये चीज सुन लो कि जल्दी का काम शैतान का काम है. यस, जल्दी जल्दी में मेरे को ये भी करना है, मेरे को वो भी करना है, मेरे को ये भी चाहिए, मेरे को वो भी चाहिए, मेरे को इसका भी चाहिए, मेरे को उसका भी चाहिए, मेरे को क्वांट भी चाहिए, अरिथमेटिक भी चाहिए, नंबर सिस्टम. शांति शांति, चिल. जब टाइम आएगा, जब सही टाइम आएगा, मैं बताएगा. मेरे पे ट्रस्ट करके आए हो. If you have इतना सा भी trust in me and you've entered here, don't worry, I will ensure everything is taken care of. Okay? ठीक है, चलो let's quickly look at this. अब 25 है, right? We have a 25 here. We know that 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. That basically means what? You have to do the same process twice. Yes? Half a number, add a 0, half a number, add a 0. Yes, so you can either do 10 into 10, add 2 zeros first and then half it 2 times, or you can find out into 5 first and then into 5, whatever that you are comfortable with, right? So let me tell you how I would do it. I know I have to add 2 zeros. I know I'll have to add 2 zeros, right? So I'm going to divide it by 4 directly. Yes, either divide it by 4 directly or I'm going to divide it by 2 twice. Either which ways, whatever you are comfortable with. Yes, so look at this. 764 by 2 is going to be how much? 382. Correct? This divided by 2 is going to be how much? 191. And then what do I do? 2 zeros. That's it. Done. 19,100. Check. Khatam. Are you feeling me, guys? Are you able to understand this? Yes. If you think dividing by 4 is tough, it's okay. Half it, do it 2 times. That's it. Cool. Do you understand this, guys? Others, yes, I'm able to see this chat. Jessel, don't worry if it takes you a little time. It's okay. With practice you will become perfect. Done. Shall we move on to the next one? One more time. Priya, one more time. Okay, see, 764 first divided by 2. Yes, you will get how much? 382. Again divide this by 2. You will get how much? 191. Now you have to multiply this with 100, correct? I have done these 2 steps first so that I don't have to deal with these zeros. Now add 2 zeros to it. Khatam. Yes. Yeah. Try this with this number now. Try this with this number. 660 into 750. ये करके दिखाओ जल्दी. Do it mentally. जितना मेंटली हो सके उतना ट्राई कर लो. ठीक है, as much as you can do it mentally, go ahead, do it. Yes. All right, answers are coming in. Superb. Shrishti, very nice. जीरोस पे ध्यान दो, जीरोस पे ध्यान दो गाइस, जीरोस पे ध्यान दो. वेरी गुड हरी. सुपर्ब. जतिन, शिखर, once please check. Priya, see, 600 into 600 into 600 itself will be more than 360,000, correct? Yes or no? 600 into 600 itself is more than 360,000. Then how will this be 16,500? Think. People who are saying 49,500, zeros पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो guys. Zeros पे, number of digits पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो. Yes. 7,640. अरे भाई तू व्हाट आर यू हाई ऑन बडी? यहाँ पे क्या नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं आपको? यस राइट. So what do we have now? We have 750, right? What do we have? 750. Dealing with 750 could be a little tricky. So what would I suggest here? Drop everything, pick your calculator up and do it. Yes, 660 into 750, do it. Okay, but if you think no sir, I would still want to do it manually only, let me show it to you how. Yeah, 75 is nothing but 25 into 3. 75 is what? 25 into 3. Yes. So either do it, multiply it with 25 first, whatever is the result, multiply it with 3. Are you getting it? And then add another 0. So what do you have to do? Half, multiply it with 3 and then add 1, 2 and 3 zeros to it. 750 का एक 0, 750 का एक 0, 25 के 2 zeros. Are you feeling me? Yes. Are you getting this? So what would you do? 660 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 3 into 000, right? 660 is half is 330. Yes, 330 is half is how much? 165. 165 into 3 I have to do, that is 300 plus 180 plus 15. Yes, 300 ये सब mentally है देख लो. 300 plus 180 plus 15 is how much? 495. उसके पीछे कितने zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, which is 495,000 or 4,95,000. Got it? 4,95,000. Yes, very nice. Someone says 700 minus 40 into 700 plus 50. करो आप, करो आप. अरे आप, you continue that way. फिजिकल कैलकुलेटर दे दिया तो फिर सोचो कैलकुलेशन कितने कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएंगे. नॉर्मल कैलकुलेटर में कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशन दे रहे हैं ये लोग, तो फिजिकल कैलकुलेटर दे दिया तो फिर अंत है. गॉट इट? प्रिया, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? प्रिया मीना जो मेरे को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे कैसे करना है. समझ गए क्या सारे? हाँ, ये लो, अब ये करके दिखाओ, ये और ये करके दिखाओ. अंदाजा लगाया. अरे वाह, वेरी नाइस. हाय नेहा, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? सब चंगा? खाना बन गया, आ जाओ. मैं ओके, लोग अभी 0 डालने में सोच भी नहीं रहे हैं. लोग अभी 0 0 0 0 0 0 करते जा रहे हैं. अलग ही बदतमीजी है आप लोगों में. 1 डाल दिया और फिर आंखें बंद करके 0 डाले जा रहे हैं लोग. सुपर. राइट, जतिन बीइंग द जेंटलमैन, कॉमा भी डालेंगे. वेरी गुड. 10 million सेज जतिन. एसपी, सृष्टि, अचल, योगिता, हरि. Yeah, Jessel, that is very normal. Okay, Jessel, that is very normal. It will take you some time to get adapted to it. Give it time, patience. Yes, my answer to everyone is patience. शांति. जो कोई भी जो कुछ भी पूछेगा सबका जवाब एक ही देने वाला हूं, शांति. यस, 625. ये अगर आपको पता है तो फिर ये करना इजी है. ये अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा कि रट्टा मार के बैठो, ठीक है. मैं नहीं बोलूंगा कि ये याद रख के बैठो. क्या बोलूंगा मैं? फटाफट से माउस उठाओ, कैलकुलेटर की तरफ जाओ, भर डालो. यस, इट इज इजियर दैट वे. अदरवाइज इफ यू आर इंसिस्टेंट कि नहीं सर करेंगे तो ऐसे करेंगे सर. 625 is what? 25 square. मतलब क्या करना है? You would have to divide it by half. How many times? 4 times. Yes, and then add how many zeros to it? 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. यस 5 का 4 5 है यहाँ पे तो 4 जीरोज ऐड करेंगे और डिवाइड बाय हाफ 4 टाइम्स. अगर ऐसा आपको दिक्कत हो रहा है तो क्या है, दिस इज 16 डायरेक्टली. यस, डायरेक्टली डिवाइड दिस विथ 16, यू विल हैव 1000. Yes, 16,000 divided by 16, half power 4 is 1 by 16, correct? And then add 1 2 3 4 zeros to it. 1 2 3 4. Now you can, if you want to, name this, you can name this. Yes, this is how much? 10 million. बूझे कि नहीं? Correct, हरी. True that. Yes, this is what? 10 million, or 1 followed by 7 zeros, or 10 million is nothing but 1 lakh. So 1 crore. Yeah, these are very very useful, especially very useful when you have questions जहाँ पे direct scale देते हैं, in millions, in trillions, in billions, in thousands, in hundreds. ऐसे में यह बहुत easy हो जाता है calculation का. Yes, got it. Aishwarya, just half it 4 times. 625 is 25 square. For 125 you divide it by half 2 times. So for 225s you will divide it by half. You will half it 4 times. That's it. Cool? Yes. समझ में आया? अच्छा लगा ये? Yeah. So when you keep practicing it this way, what happens? Your confidence automatically increases. Your confidence automatically increases, and ultimately what happens is you get a push on other complex concepts also. या आपका दिमाग कैसे चलता पता है? I'll tell you how the human brain works. Yes, human brain does a lot of comparison. Yes, it is built on learning and then applying. Correct? The entire concept of our human brain is learning and then applying. So if I learn something easy and then apply it on something complex, it doesn't look like a big task to me. But if I learn something complex and then apply it on something easy, learning with complex itself becomes a very difficult task. Yes, are you understanding? That is why our education system depends upon what? Starting with preschool, teaching about colors, teaching about different letters, teaching about different sounds. Yes, introducing ourselves to phonetics, all of that. And then imagine if you take a pre-KG student, or someone who's about to go into play school, and you give them a big comprehension ke ye kar lo. You give them a big comprehension, CAT का comprehension, GRE GMAT का कोई एक comprehension passage ले लो, reading comprehension, ये कर लो, ABCD आराम से सीख जाओगे. It doesn't work like that. Correct? It doesn't work like that. Yes. Anytime SP, anytime buddy. और करें, और हो जाए. लाइक करो पहले. वीडियो पे लाइक नहीं आ रहे गाइस. सबसे पहले तो व्यूअर्स ही इतने कम हैं, मेरे को मजा नहीं आ रहा. व्यूअर्स इतने कम हैं, लाइक्स नहीं कर रहे हो आप लोग ना. Pallavi, I will not give you questions. I can suggest you apps to download for that, right? Download apps for that. Calculation game apps होते हैं बहुत सारे. Download that. You can use that for your practice. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Are you all ready for the next concept? मैं पानी लाके उधर रख दिया. ठीक है, जान दो. Are you all ready for the next concept? Ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Alright. जतिन नहीं, दूसरा काउंट से करो, करना था. चलो, now let's look at some 2-digit number calculations, 2-digit number calculation, 2-digit into 2-digit calculation, and how are we going to approach to that? Yes, how are we going to approach for that? मनीष, देखो आप लोग शेयर नहीं करते हो तो यहाँ पे व्यूज कम होते हैं, है ना. आप लोग थोड़ा सा शेयर कर लो तो अपने आप बढ़ जाएंगे. सुपर पार्थ. Okay, look at this. 29 into 11 we have to do. Yes, multiple ways of doing this. मैं नहीं बोलूंगा एक मेथड सही है दूसरा गलत है. I will even tell you that 29 into 11, 1 9s are 1, 1 2s are 2, leave 1 0, 1 9s are 1. ये करना भी मैं उचित ही समझूंगा. ठीक है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सिचुएशन. Yes, But I will suggest you two methods. I can suggest you two methods. What would it be? One, do it this way. This is method 1. Okay, 29 into 11. 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. Correct? 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. Yes. What is 10 into 29? 290. What is 1 into 29? 29. What do I have to do? I have to add these. 29 plus 30 is 320 minus 1 is 390. You get the answer this way. Yes, we all know that multiplying with 10 and with 1 is not a big deal. Adding them is not a big deal. Yes. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now let's look at the other alternative of that. What's the other alternative? Multiplying, considering this as 11 into 29. अब 11 into 29 करना उचित नहीं रहेगा. This is the better way, but this is also a method. 29 can be written as 30 minus 1. Yes, 30 into 11 is 330. Yes. 1 into 11 is 11. I have to subtract 11. If I subtract 10, 320, subtract 1 from that, 319. You get the answer, 319 this way. Yes. Achal, are you determined to complexify a given question? What is easier, multiplying a number with 11 or finding squares of two different numbers and then multiplying them or subtracting them? Squares of two different numbers and subtracting them. That is your alternative to this. Guys, please think it through before suggesting some method. A square minus b square karo, there is no issue. But if the number is complex, वहाँ पे करो. नंबर अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स है वहां पे करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव टू डू लेट्स से 36 into 38. यस, यहां पे करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. हियर यू वांट टू डू 37 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 स्क्वायर, बी माई गेस्ट. यस, सॉरी, 37 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 स्क्वायर, ऐसे करना है, करो, बी माई गेस्ट. ओके, बट देन प्लीज डोंट, यहां पे ऐसे में मत सजेस्ट करो यार. 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए मैं स्क्वायर निकालने बैठूंगा तो फिर. यस, पार्थ, वी आर जस्ट स्प्लिटिंग अ नंबर. ट्राई दिस वन, यू विल गेट इट बेटर. ट्राई दिस वन, वी आर जस्ट स्प्लिटिंग द नंबर, दैट्स इट. या मनीष यार, मनीष डेफिनेटली आप कुछ भी करो हेल्प तो करेगा ही. यस, कुछ भी करो हेल्प तो डेफिनेटली करेगा ही, डोंट वरी. ऑल्टरनेटिव एज अ कैलकुलेटर इज बाय डिफॉल्ट. ये तो भाई साहब बाय डिफॉल्ट है. अक्षय, I will put up a video on books. I'll definitely put up a video on books and I'll also put the pros and cons of a books. Okay, don't worry. Superb. Everybody started answering this. ये answer करो, questions बाद में पूछ लेना guys. Parth, try this now. Try this with this. Everybody is saying 1440. Very nice, beautiful. So see, two alternatives again. Two alternatives. Alternative number 1, 96 into 15. 15 I can write it as 10 plus 5. Yes, I know how to multiply a number with 10. I know how to multiply a number with 5. I've just learned it freshly. Adding, I've learned it. Yes. What is 96 into 10? 960. What is 96 into 5? Half of 960, correct? Multiplying a number with 5 is basically multiplying it with 10 and half. तो इसका half ले लो. Half क्या है? 480. Yes. Now add this. What is this? 1440. Got it? 1000 plus 480 minus 40. 1480 minus 40, 1440. Are you getting this? 1440. The same thing you can do in the other method also. Consider this as what? 15 into 96. 96 is 100 minus 4. 96 is what? 100 minus 4. 15 into 100 is 1500. 15 into 4 is 15 का डबल उसका डबल, 15 का डबल 30, 30 का डबल 60, minus 60. 1500 minus 60 is 1440. समझ में आ रहा है? Nikita, that this is literally what you've just suggested. Yes. हर साल नहीं होता है, हर साल नहीं होता है, नहीं नहीं मनीष, हर साल नहीं होता है. Yes, चलो another one. Here's another one. Quickly try this. Quick guys, you have to be, things should be on your fingertips. Yes, jaldi. Jessel, yes, a booklet will be given to you for rough calculations, but you'll have to return the book to them. You cannot write anything in the book before the test starts, and you'll have to return the book before leaving. There will be a booklet provided to you, don't worry. Quickly try this, guys. Correct, Jatin, so true. Superb. Akash, Shrishti, very nice. Parth, amazing. Others, quick guys. Yeah, answers, guys. Great work everybody, amazing. Superb. मनीष, अपना टेंशन अपन देखेंगे ना उस टाइम का, उस टाइम जब आएंगे तब देखेंगे, ठीक है. 45 36 into 45, right? Let me do this here. First method, 36 into 45 is what? 50 minus 5. Yes, 36 into 50 is basically into 5 into 10. 36 into 5, 180 into 10, 1800. Yes, if into 50 is 1800, then into 5 is what? Only 180. 1800 में से 200 निकालो, you will have 1600. फिर 20 वापस दे दो, 1620. समझ रहे हो? Yes. मेथड 2 क्या होगा यहाँ पे? मेथड 2 क्या करेंगे? 45 into 36. 36 I can either write it as 30 plus 6 or 40 minus 4. Whatever that works with you. Yes, 45 into 40, 45 into 4 कर लो पहले. 45 का डबल 90, 90 का डबल 180. ये क्या है? माइनस 180. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1800. 1800 minus 180, same logic, 1620. If you think no sir, subtraction is not a great option for me, I'm a little uncomfortable with subtraction, go for addition. Do 30 plus 6. Yes, do it as 30 plus 6. Yes, if I can find out into 3, 45 into 3 is going to be how much? 90 plus 45, that's 135. So this is going to be 1350 plus 35 is 3, 135 is 3 times, 6 times is double of that. 135's double is 270. Add this, how much would you get? 1620. Got it? Yes. Whatever that works for you guys, जो भी आपको उस समय पे काम करेगा that. मनीष, आप ही का रिप्लाई किया था मैंने. I replied for you only. तब का तब देखेंगे, चेंज करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, कितना करेंगे, बढ़ाएंगे घटाएंगे, वो उनका हेडेक है, अपना नहीं है. अपना हेडेक है प्रिपेयर करने का. ओके, सुपर्ब स्पर्श, वेरी नाइस. चलो, ट्राई दिस one last of this type and then we'll quickly go for practice. Do this one jaldi. 44 into 92. Jessel, use calculator. See, you're not ready to listen to me, Jessel. You're not ready to leave your inhibitions, your fears behind and then trust me. You have straight up issues trusting me. That means you'll have to find out alternatives for that. I can't help you. I'll be upfront about it. If you come without trusting me, then I definitely can't help you guys. I'm sorry. Superb. Very nice, very nice. 4048. Hari, very good. Akash, Yogita, Akshay, Adarsh, Parth, Manasa, Sparsh, Arpita. Very good, guys. Amazing, everybody. Killer. So what is it here? What do you think would be a best idea? Into 90 plus 2 doesn't look like great. Yes. Into 100 minus 8 could be. What is better? 99 into 44 is better, correct? 92 into 44 is better. Why? I can write this as 40 plus 4. Yes. 92 into 4 is going to be what? 92 ka double, which is 184. Uska double, that is 368. Agreed? Yes or no? Yes. या तो ये तो डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो. 90 into 4 360, 2 into 4 8, 360 plus 8 360. और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 3680. All you have to do is add this now. 8. You have 4 here. Yes, you have 1 to be carried out. 370 add कर लो. Whatever that works for you. Yes, 370 add कर लो और फिर remove कर लो. Yes. So you would get what? 4048. Still faster than jumping to your calculator. Yes, this is still faster than jumping to your calculator. Got it? Yes. Amazing work, guys. Superb. चलो अब फटाफट से प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Quick, be quick on the fingers. Quickly give me the answer here. Real quick. जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी जल्दी. हाँ जी guys, answer. Yes. Oh yeah, guys, you go ahead. I forgot my water bottle. Please take a sip of water from my end. Please take a sip of water from my end. I forgot my bottle. 3872. Superb, guys. Very nice. Amazing work, guys. Superb. Yes, split this as 30 and 2. 30 and 2. Yes, into 2 is 242. Very simple. Into 3 is 363. Because it is into 30, you would have to add a 0. Now just add this. This is how much? 2, 7, 8, 3. Smooth. Quickly do this. 36 into 24. Jaldi. Do this. 36 into 24. Correct, Sparsh. चलेगा. थोड़ा सा mistake, कुछ सीखते वक्त mistake हो तो चलेगा. Don't worry. If you make a mistake while learning, that scar will remain in your mind. That hurt will remain in your mind, and you will not repeat that mistake. Okay. 864. Amazing work, guys. Amazing work. 36 into 24. Yes, multiple ways of doing this. चलो मैं एक शॉर्टकट बताऊं क्या, जो मेरे को अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे. मैं बताऊं क्या एक शॉर्टकट. This is my favorite. Okay. What I'm going to do is 36 into 24. I'm going to split it as 12 square into 6. Is that okay to do? 12 square, I remember 144 into 6 I have to do. Yes. What will I do here now? 144 into 6. Yes, 144 into 6 is what I have to do now. Yes, तो देखो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 600 plus 240 plus 24. Yes, which is how much? 864. चॉइस अपनी अपनी है, ठीक है, अपनी अपनी चॉइस है कैसे करना है. यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. यस, जो नंबर दिया हुआ ना उसको कैसे घुमाना है वो आपकी मर्जी है. हाउ यू वांट टू प्ले अराउंड विथ इट, बॉल्स इन योर कोर्ट, चॉइस इज योर्स. Quickly do this, answer this. 74 times 12. This should be on your fingertips. Akshay, definitely. Why not? 25 minus 1, definitely. Of course you can. 36 into 25 is even easy. Yes, 900 is going to remain in your fingertips like that. From 900, all you will have to do is subtract 24, which is 864. Yes, of course. 888. Killer guys. कैसे होगा ये? This would be 740 plus 74 twice is how much? What is 74 twice? 148. Yeah. Yes. Now let's quickly go to the next topic, next method. Are you all ready for this? Next method. Is everyone ready? If you are ready, don't forget to hit like on this video. Have you already liked this video or not? अगर like नहीं ठोका तो अभी करो, फटाफट immediately करो, जल्दी करो. Yes, अभी यहाँ पे हम जो करने वाले हैं today here in this slide, whatever we are going to do, there is this option always available. ठीक है, ये कैलकुलेटर का ऑप्शन ऑलवेज अवेलेबल है. कहीं पर भी हल्का सा भी लगे कि नहीं सर आई वोंट बी एबल टू डू इट, इफ यू हैव अ स्मॉल hesitation that no sir I may not be able to do it, go for the other thing. Let's look at multiplying two consecutive numbers. Yes, multiplying two consecutive numbers. Yes, here what can we do? 12 into 13, two ways of doing it. Of course you can split it. You can do 13 into 10 and then 13 into 2, of course. Yes, because these are consecutive numbers, you always have the advantage of doing it this way. 12 into 12 plus 12, correct? 12 into 12 plus 12. ये alternative है, this is not a better method. This is not a better method, this is only an alternative. Okay, so what is this? 12 into 12 is 12 square plus 12 into 1, sorry, my bad. 12 into 1 is how much? 12. Yes, so I basically have to do 12 square and then add 12 to it. Yes, yeah, this is my bad, I'm sorry. Yes, 12 square and then add 12 to it. That's it. 12 square is 144. If I add 12 to it, what would I get? 156. Yes, correct, Akshay. So when you see consecutive numbers, square it, add 12, provided you are good with the squares. If you are not good with the squares, go for other alternatives. Yes, you can do this as 13 into 12, split 12 as 10 and 2, be my guest. Yes, acha, try this one. 15 into 16, quick. 15 into 16, 241, 240, 240, 240, 240. Okay, very nice, very good guys, superb. Yes, so what can you do here? You can definitely go for 15 square plus 15. Take the smaller of the two numbers, square it and add to itself. Yes, do you want a quick alternative here? Quick alternative. 15 into 16, na? 15 into 16. Can I write this as 30 into 8? What just happened? Can I write 15 into 16 as 30 into 8? What is easy to do? Multiplying 15 and 16 or multiplying 30 and 8? 3 का table, 8 का table तो याद है ही है. This is 24 and add a 0 to 40. Which is easier? This or this? Got it? So try and manipulate. Try and manipulate the numbers in whichever way you want. जैसे इसको घुमा. This is like clay. Okay, this is like modeling clay. Okay, you have clay in front of you. How you want to shape it? Your choice. Yes, with this clay you can make a pot that will help you, quench your thirst. Yes, and with the same clay you can make a hammer which you can break your head with. Choice is yours. ये करो फटाफट. 22 times 23. Ultra Pro Max. I don't come with a charger either. I don't come with a charger either. अंकित धीरे धीरे लगेगा. धीरे. आपको क्या लगता है ये मैं पैदा होते ही सीख के आया था? Do you really think when I was born, when I popped out of my mother's womb, I came and told doctor, इधर आ बे, सुन बे, 15 into 16 is 30 into 8, जा enjoy. Not really, right? Everybody will. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. आराम से practice. With practice, anything is possible. Anything. Yes. Right. What about this question now? 22 into 23. Yes. We can definitely do 22 square plus 22. Correct. What is 22 square? Do you remember 22 square? If you don't remember 22 square, don't worry. 22 square nikalna. I don't remember 22 square. Don't worry. 22 square is 22 into 22. Split it as 20 and 2. 22 double is 44. Add a 0 to it. 440. Yes. Anybody who tells you to remember this, anyone who comes and tells you that, bro, remember first 50, first 100, first 1000 squares, rasta naapne ko bola. Ask them to measure the way out. Okay, no need to remember anything when you can do stuff on the spot. Add 22 to it. What is it? 506. Yes, add 506. Very nice, Achal. Very nice. Sparsh. Killer, guys. Now I like what you're doing. Now I like what you're doing, right? 23 into 22 is basically 46 into 11. Superb, guys. Superb. अब बात कर रहे हैं ना, which is what? 460 plus 46, 506. Yes. Now this is fun. Got it? Everybody. Throughout में देख लो, कभी ऐसा मन किया, ऐसा करते वक्त कभी ऐसा मन किया कि सर थोड़ा कैलकुलेटर यूज कर लेके. I understand these are simple numbers, sir. These are simple numbers, तो ठीक है. Complex होगा, ये करो. What is this? 49 into 50. Quick. Who would do this? 49 into 50. Mridu, definitely. 20 can be written as 20 plus 3. Choice is yours. Choice is definitely yours. Nobody stopping you here. 2450. Very nice, Yogita. Very nice, Himanshu. Now, what I want to ask you is, with this, don't use 100 by 2 method. Yes, and I'll tell you why. You have already mastered this method, correct? 49 into 100 by 2. This method you've already mastered. Don't do it in this way. Put yourself at test. Yes, put pressure on yourself. I want to do it this way only. How can I write it as 50 square minus 50? Can I do it this way? 50 square minus 50. Can I do it this way? I want to put myself under pressure कि इतना easy question भी मैं difficult way में कर सकूं. That is the aim here. So 50 square is what? 2500 minus 50 is going to be 2450. Yes. Creating hurdles for yourself, creating problems, creating troubles for yourself is easier. Yes, otherwise do what Achal is trying to do, 25 into 98. Alternative, of course, definitely. Easy नहीं है, but ठीक है. यार देखो यार, ultimately at the end of the day, your rough sheets master is you only. You are the master of your rough sheet. तो nobody is going to come and look के भाई साहब ये ऐसे कैसे कर रहा है, ये गलत है, ऐसे नहीं करेंगे कोई, पूरा मेथड यूज करो. Nobody is going to do that. Yes, quickly do this now. जल्दी करो, जल्दी. Quick guys, quick. Correct, Akshay, superb. Try this one now. Try this one. That question's old. $600. Very nice path. Quick, guys. Quick. 520. Hurry. 520. Seriously. 520. No. 600. Very nice. Yes. Do it what? Do it this way. Do it this way. Don't do it in the other way. Do it this way. 625 minus 25, 600. Next. 18 into 19. ये करके दिखाओ जल्दी. 18 into 19. Yes, 18 into 19. Definitely Balaji. 15 to 12. What is better than 15 to 12? 6 into 100. Yes. 24 into 25 can be written as 12 into 50, which can be written as 6 into 100. This is even better. Take a 4 from here, give it to this. 25 into 4 is 100, 6 into 100. 342, 370. Shreya, 370 कैसे होगा? 8 into 9 cannot end with a 0, na? 8 into 9 cannot end with a 0, right? 341, 342, 370. Yes, I understand. यहाँ पे I have forced you to do it this way. 18 square plus 18 या 19 square minus 19. यहाँ पे doing this, ये मैं force भी करूँ ना तो भी अच्छा idea नहीं है, right? Here even if I force you, this is not a good idea. 18 square या तो रट्टा मारो या याद रखो या फिर यहाँ पे बनाओ. इससे अच्छा क्या कर लो? 18 into 19, 20 minus 1. 18 into 20, 360. Minus 1. माइनस 18. 360 माइनस 18 करना है. 360 में से 20 निकाला, 340, उसमें से 2 वापस दिया, 342. Are you getting it? Next 98 into 99. ये तो आराम से हो जाना चाहिए. ये तो आराम से हो जाना चाहिए. क्विक. यार पानी नहीं है. जल्दी. Ashwini, when to add or when to subtract? I don't understand. What is your question? Not understanding when to add or when to subtract. While using this method, you decide which is easy, 24 square or 25 square, which is easy to find. Which is the better number, 24 or 25? You can do it both ways, but what is better is what you should go for. 9701, 9702. What is this? 98 into 99. I would again not suggest remembering 99 square. अगर याद है तो ठीक है, वरना क्या? 100 minus 1. 98 into 100 is 9800 minus 98. Yes, minus 100 करेंगे तो 9700, वापस 2 दे देंगे, 9702. Clear? Everybody? Yes. Ashwini, that is not square root, that is square. Square root we are not dealing with yet. That is square. Whatever is easier for you to remember, go for that. If you know 24 square, okay. If you know 25 square, okay. Choice is yours. Now let's move on to division. Okay, real quick guys. Jaldi time up ho gaya. Let's go for division. Now in division we are going to start with dividing it with 5 wala concept. Yes, dividing it with 5 wala concept. Okay. अदर बाकी में क्या है? कैंसिलिंग करने का. बाकी में ऑप्शन क्या है? कैंसिल करने का. So let's do this. 90 divided by 5. Do you remember we wrote 5 as 10 by 2? So when you multiply a number with 5, you multiply it with 10 and then divide by 2, or you half it and add a 0. Do exact opposite of that. Yes, double a number, and then divide it by 10. Are you getting it? When you have to divide it by 5, double a number, divide it by 10. Dividing it by 10 is basically what? Removing a 0. 90 का double 180, 180 में से एक 0 निकाला, 18. Yes, no need to cancel, no need to sit and find out 9 ones, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Don't have to do that. Try this. 525 divided by 5. 525 divided by 5. Double the number, remove a 0. Double the number, remove a 0. बहुत ही easy, बहुत ही simple. Double करो, 0 निकालो. Double करो, 0 निकालो. Quick. 525 divided by 5. जल्दी कौन करेगा? कौन जवाब देगा इसका? 115, 105. स्पर्श 115 तो नहीं होगा ना, 105 होगा. Yes. 525 into 2 is how much? 1050. यस 1050 में से एक जीरो निकाला 105. Even better, split this as 525. 500 by 5 is 100, 25 by 5 is 500 plus 5 is 105. Next, ये करो जल्दी, फटाफट करो. ये कौन करेगा? Quickly tell me the answer to this. 6666.66 divided by 5. I want precise answers. I want precise answer to this. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Quick. Yes, 6666.66 divided by 3. Who can answer this? 1333.3, 1333.332. Precise answer is Hari's answer, Ankit's answer, Adarsh, Achal, Poonam, Yogita, very nice. Sejal, Achal, acceptable. Nikita, Sparsh, okay, acceptable, acceptable, don't worry. Approximate is allowed, approximation is allowed, yes. 666.66 का सोच लो. यस, 6 का डबल क्या है? 12. 6 का डबल 12 है और यहाँ पे 1111 कैरी थ्रू आउट रहेगा. मतलब क्या है? दिस इज 13 एंड देन फॉलोड बाय 1 2 3 3s. यस, पॉइंट, यस, 0.33. यस, एंड देन अ 2 एट द एंड, क्योंकि 16 का डबल क्या है? 2. Are you getting it? Yes. Very nice guys, very nice. तो अगर ये हो गया आपसे, ये हो गया आपसे, this is very good, very good. नहीं विशाल, विशाल, it is not 0.32. It won't be 0.32, it will be 0.332. Yes, Vishal. Quickly try this now. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Quick, 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 quick answer. Dividing by 5, dividing a given number by 5 is easy. Dividing it by 25 is twice easier. Quickly answer. Hari says 1.28. Okay. Others? Very good guys, very good. Amazing work. 800. Others? This is divided by, not multiplied. Divided by, not multiplied. 1.24, 1.2. Sejal, please don't approximate. यहाँ पे मत करो approximate. अगर approximate करना ही है तो 1.3 बोलो. 1.28 का 1.2 नहीं है approximate. Okay. Here what is this? 32 का डबल 64, 64 का डबल 128. उसमें 1 2 0 हटा दो. 1.28. Yes. Dividing a number by 25 is basically dividing it by 5 2 times. मतलब क्या करना है? You have to double it 2 times and then remove 2 zeros. Quickly do this. 8695 by 50. Jaldi. 8695 by 50. हाँ जी गाइस, क्या चल रहा है? आ रहे हैं आंसर्स? yes yes yes, very nice, amazing work guys, amazing work. So dividing a number with 50 is no biggie. Yes, if we know how to divide it by 2, if we know how to divide it by 5, we know how to divide it by 50 also. Guys, please block this. Please block this person. Do you have any authorization using the name Unacademy CAT team? कौन है ये? Who is this? बेटा बेटा जिस स्कूल में आप लोग पढ़े हो ना, उसमें कोई नहीं पढ़ा होगा, समझ में आ रहा है? तो पिद्दी सा स्कूल था वो। यस, स्टॉप डूइंग दिस गाइस, ग्रो अप, खुद का बनाओ, खुद का अलग से डेटाबेस बनाओ, ठीक है? सकिंग अप टू समवन एल्स वुडंट वर्क, राइट? कैन आई डबल दिस रियल क्विक? Approximately I can, right? Consider this as 8,700. 87 का डबल क्या होगा? 87's डबल is 87 का डबल क्या है? 174, करेक्ट? 174, यस, इसको 8,700 हमने अप्रोक्सीमेट कर लिया है। आर यू गेटिंग दिस? 8,700 हमने इसको अप्रोक्सीमेट किया, तो 8,700 का डबल करो, which will be what? 17,400। उसमें अगर आपको फिर 5 का निकालना है, तो आपको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? 10 निकालना पड़ेगा यहां से। yes, you'll basically have to just remove 10 from this. either do that और 174 ही रख लो, अप्रोक्सीमेट करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 174 डिवाइडेड बाई 10 करोगे तो एक 0, डिवाइड बाई 50 है तो एक और 0, 174 अप्रोक्सीमेटली। yes, 174 अप्रोक्सीमेटली। और सी दिस, यहाँ पे 5 हमने अप्रोक्सीमेट किया था, वी एडेड 5, सो आई हैव टू रिमूव दिस 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 50। 5 by 5 is 1, 5 by 50 is 0.1. if I remove that 0.1, I'll get the exact answer. yes, 173.3. got it? 173.9. yes, whatever that works for you. ठीक है? yes, चलो गाइस, टुडे वॉज फन, है ना? आज थोड़ा मेरे को पानी नहीं मिला, बट अदरवाइज इट वॉज फन। yes, twice only, Aishwarya, twice only. 50 is what is 50? 50 is 5 into 10, correct? So when you divide it by 50, you just divide it by 5 once and then just remove another 0. Yeah, it's okay. If your profile is not that good, go for our profile building courses, buddy. There is no need in using Unacademy CAT's name. You understand? yes, थोड़ा सा ना grow a pair, buddy. yes, ये बनाने वाला काम यहाँ नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है? जिसको आप इतने साल से बनाते आ रहे हो वहीं पे जाओ। yes, alright, this is upcoming event. when is this happening? अभी अगला होगा थर्सडे को, ठीक है? अब से हम ये फॉलो करेंगे, एवरी थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, 3 दिन किसके नाम करने? मेरे नाम करने। पूरा दिन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ 8 PM to 9 PM. yes, so our next class on advanced calculation techniques will be when? Thursday को। yes, जो कि कब है? when is our next Thursday? फटाफट कैलेंडर निकालो, थर्सडे कब है? 12th को। yes, तो अपनी अगली क्लास होगी November 12। yes, ठीक है? जय लगाए तो थे, कोई आया नहीं। जब लगाया था मैंने जय, तब तो कोई आया ही नहीं यार, मैं अकेले बैठा रहा वहां पे। जब लगाते तब कोई भी नहीं आते हैं। मंडे को आप लोगों के लिए नहीं है, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, Wednesday, these 3 days are dedicated for CAT 2020 people, CAT 2020 वालों के लिए, ठीक है? समझ गए? Alright guys, advanced calculation techniques, here we will be looking at squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, all that. okay, advanced में जाएंगे फिर। Yes, I will see you again on Thursday, November 12, 8 PM to 9 PM. Yes, set reminder कर लो अपने phones में, कर लो reminder set. या किसके नाम पे? सुराना लाइव के नाम पे. Our official groups are always active. Yes, our official groups are always active. You can ask your queries there also. Yes, this is my profile on Unacademy CAT. तो ये प्रोफाइल आप चेकआउट कर लो, इसमें यू कैन फॉलो मी फॉर अपकमिंग सेशंस एंड ऑल दैट. यस, these are the 3 official groups that we have, 2 official groups and 1 my profile. These are the 3 links. Yes, इनके अलावा कोई और लिंक पे ये जो ऐसे लोग नहीं आते जो अनअकैडमी कैट का नाम यूज करके फिर बोलते कि प्रोफाइल भेजो, अपना बायोडेटा भेजो, अपनी जन्म कुंडली भेजो. आपके लिए नहीं देख रहा था, मेरे लिए देख रहा था कि मेरी कुंडली में शनि कहाँ बैठा है, मेरी शादी क्यों नहीं हो रही है, मैं मांगलिक क्यों हूं, ऐसे वाले नहीं है. ठीक है, दीज आर 3 जेन्युइन लिंक्स. यूज दीज एंड ओनली दीज. यस, दिस अनअकैडमी कैट्स ऑफिशियल चैनल ऑन टेलीग्राम, दिस इज फॉर नोटिफिकेशंस अलोन. यहां पे सिर्फ आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलेंगे. दिस इज माय चैनल ऑन टेलीग्राम. यहां पे आपको मिलेंगे नोटिफिकेशंस, यहां पे आपको मिलेंगे नोट्स फॉर ऑल द क्लासेस एंड यू कैन आस्क क्वेरीज ऑल्सो. बट माइंड यू गाइज, क्वेरीज शुड बी रिलेटेड टू कैट एंड ओनली कैट. यस, and then you have Unacademy profile. Yes, my Unacademy profile, you can go check that out also. ये तीनों लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है. Yes, तीनों लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है. Right? And if you are worried, sir, I don't think this would be enough for me. I would want extra attention. I would want doubt clearing sessions because I keep having a lot of doubts. I want you to give some extra care to my preparation. All of these cases, you can go for the subscription. This is Unacademy Plus's subscription. Here, this is available on the app. There are unlimited access to live classes. You can watch Quant, LRDI and VARC, any number of educators, right? Any number of educators sessions you can watch. Nobody is going to question you. Yes, you can watch recorded version of these sessions. They never go offline. PDFs you can download with annotations, without annotations. You can use them for theory classes, practice classes, asking doubts. You can use them for quizzes also. Yes, there are a lot of live quizzes also happening. Yes, then you have interaction with your favorite educators. You can interact with your favorite educators, ask them doubts, ask them for guidance without any hiccups. There are live polls, leaderboards will give you average time, all statistical data. Yes, because CAT is not just about accuracy, CAT is also about time. Yes, and efficiency. There are test series, 198 plus test series are available right now, not just for CAT but also for ये भाई साहब ये कौन, अरे लोल बेटा इधर आओ. लोल तुम्हारा नाम कहीं ललित तो नहीं है? It does seem like ललित to me. लोल का फुल फॉर्म में कहीं ललित तो नहीं है? Vandana, definitely there will be extra care. Don't worry about that. You can go ask everybody but Lalit about this. Okay, जो ललित यहाँ पे धूम मचा रहे हैं ना, उनको छोड़ के आप किसी को भी पूछ सकते हो. Yes, and there will be doubt clearing session every 4th day. Yes, every 4th day of individual person. That means every day, almost every day, there will be a live doubt clearing session किसी ना किसी educator का. Yes, ठीक है. For that you don't have to take up separate packages and all. This is all inclusive. You can pick any one of these, but my suggestion to you would be for CAT 2020, this would be the preferred package. Sorry, 2020 बोल दिया, ये आदत से मजबूर. Yes, so for CAT 2021, this is the package you would go for. CAT 2022, this is the package you would go for. This is the referral code that you would apply, Surana Live. With this you would get discount. Where can I find profile building course? Contact me on Telegram. I will help you out finding it. Yes, finding other YouTube channels should not be a trouble for you, but finding a course is a trouble. Very nice. Like educated but in the wrong place. Too bad. All right, so ye dhyan mein rakhna guys, if you are planning on taking a subscription, instead of going for the monthly one, because this could be, you know, expensive, you can go for the package. There are no cost EMI options also available. You can go check that out. Okay, don't forget to use my referral code Surana Live. You'll get a discount on that. Done. I'm gonna see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow nahi. I'll see you all on Thursday. Until then, keep yourselves safe, keep yourselves happy, keep learning. That's pretty much it. Let's crack it.